Today we're talking about one of the simplest but most powerful updates Google Chrome has ever done for a language learner. Check this out. In October 2025, Google announced a new built-in Read Aloud feature integrated into the desktop browsers mode. ¿Y por qué es importante? And why is this important? Check this out. Chrome can now read any web page out loud for you. Imagínate, you're on a Spanish news website, right? Or you're reading one of your lessons online. And instead of trying to pronounce every word and missing some of those words and making mistakes, Chrome now does it for you. And here's the best part. You can listen, repeat, and train your ear with the native speaker. Let's get into it. So if you've ever struggled with listening in Espanol, like hearing fast native speakers rolling through those R sounds, or trying to catch keywords in a sentence that seem to disappear, this update changes the game. Prior to this built-in feature, you would have had to do some type of third-party install of an extension. But now you don't even need to get extra apps or a specific audiobook for purchase. Now you have the tool you need built into your browser. Basically, it's like having a real listening lab inside Chrome. So here's how it works. You open Google Chrome on your computer. Go to any article. Para nosotros vamos a usar BBC Mundo y El País. Yo tengo un ejemplo de cada sitio. Then I want you to right-click anywhere on the web page and select Read Mode or Read Aloud, whichever comes up for you. Pues mira, if your Chrome is in español, el mensaje va a decir leer en voz alta. Now Chrome will start reading the page to you word by word, line by line. Hey, real quick, if you're gaining value from today's video, be sure to like it, hype it, and share it with someone you know that is also trying to become a better Spanish speaker. By doing so, it boosts the algorithm to get this update out to as many people as possible who are trying to become more confident Spanish speakers. Now, let's get back to the rest of the video. Mira, un aviso. Got a quick warning for you here. And it's not really a warning, but it's kind of make sure you don't do this. One of those things you shouldn't do. Typically, when you visit a Spanish website, you're going to get the notification up at the top that says Spanish, translate Spanish or English. Make sure you leave the page in Español. Or otherwise, this read aloud thing is really going to be just you getting somebody to narrate in English, which is it defeats the whole purpose, right? When you've opened the reader mode, you're going to see all the playback controls that you need to go ahead and continue with the read aloud process. It's going to be able to pause or resume, skip ahead or rewind. And one of the best things about this is that you can change the rate of speed of the speaker, and you can also change the voice style. They've got two options for us in Español. You've got somebody de España y la otra persona es de los Estados Unidos. Now, I know it would have been good for them to have somebody from Latino America, but, then it would have been like by country. So technically, that's why they chose the United States. But I'm pretty sure they'll start adding in some updates where you'll have somebody from Mexico, Colombia, those things, which will be pretty cool. Ready to go deeper? I want to encourage you to join the Spanish Made Simple Challenge. In just 5 days, I'll help you go from scattered words to full conversations with confidence. And if you decide to join me, I want to encourage you to register for the VIP option. That's where you're going to get a full hour before the actual challenge with me to ask any questions that you have, and I can give you strategies to help you continue on your language journey con Español. I'm answering questions, we're doing live practice, we're doing breakdowns of certain words or phrases that you don't understand. We're getting it all in these 5 days of the Spanish Made Simple Challenge. Some practice examples. Let's say you're a beginner, right? And reading feels slow. Here's what you can do. Go to a simple article like Noticias Fáciles en Español. Let Chrome read it once at the normal speed.
Nancy Pelosi deja el Congreso, nivel 1. Nancy Pelosi es una famosa política estadounidense. Dice que dejará de trabajar en el Congreso. Es la primera mujer que ocupa el cargo de presidenta de la Cámara de Representantes.
Then play it again, but this time read along out loud. Your eyes, ears, and mouth are now learning together. But something even better than just the webpage aspect of the Google Chrome update, it will also read blog posts, documents, and PDFs, and not just news articles. It's basically like having a Spanish tutor built into your browser. Now here's how to make this stick, because tools only help if you actually use them. Every day I want you to find one page, just one, in Español. It could be a news story, recipe, a blog, whatever. No me importa. Now, let Chrome read it to you over and over again for a period of about 5 minutes. Then repeat what you hear out loud. What you're doing here is a combination of things. You're working on comprehensible input, mimicry, and shadowing all in one. I promise you, if you do that daily, your brain starts to recognize patterns, rhythm, and intonation naturally. No grammar drills, no stress, baby. Just consistent, real world exposure. So, as we begin to land the plane, let's recap what we've gone over today. Chrome can now read aloud for you. You can use it on any site in Inglés, en Español, or otros idiomas. It's a free and powerful way to boost your listening, pronunciation, and comprehension, especially for beginners. Y recuerda, don't just listen, shadow the voice. Basically, what that means is repeat exactly what Chrome says out loud. And what you want to make sure you're doing is matching the rhythm and the tone. What this does is it turns passive listening into active listening, and that's where the real fluency and progress starts to take place. Now, if you want me to show you exactly how to use this update from Google to improve your Spanish skills step by step, drop the comment Read Aloud tutorial in the comments below, and I'll make a follow-up video with real live examples. Now, of course, this Google Chrome update is the latest in tech news for language learners, but if you want to find out updates on how AI can help accelerate your language learning skills, I want you to check out this video right here, and I'll see you over there. Soy Profe Don Omar, your guide on how to speak Spanish now. Nos vemos.